Right, today is going to be pressure washing day for my driveway. My friend CJ is going to break out his pressure washer here and clean my driveway for me, and including the back area. I'll get that here in a minute, but he's also going to do my sidewalks. These have not been done, or at least they have not been pressure washed since I had it constructed back in 2007. So yeah, they look pretty bland right now. I'm gonna go ahead and probably get the steps as well down here. So yeah, these will look good. I'll have to, don't know if I'll be able to get a shot of everything while he's doing it, but I'll definitely show you what it looks like afterwards here. Kind of lugging this big gas tank around. This thing's heavy. 5 gallons, $20. Nice. Gotta love gas prices. Yeah, this is a pretty good sized driveway. And then the sitting area, I'll get that here in just a minute. And there's the back area. Nice and filthy. And there's the old pressure washer. Rigid. This thing's pretty sweet. I've seen this thing in action. It definitely does a good job. Alright. Let me get the gas in here and we'll get started. Alright, fire it up. Well, we're juicing after about an hour of maintenance cleaning out the carburetor. Running good. That's good right there. Physical concert. Brand new again. Oops, looks like the azalea got stripped of bark. I'm noticing some of the stuff's not coming up. It's not going to be perfect, but it's looking a lot better than it did. If we had hot water going, it'd probably get all that up, but what we got here is good enough. Difference there. Gotta love the pollen. It's springtime. Yeah, it looks like some of these stains that are not coming up probably require maybe some bleach or some other chemical to get that up, but we're not going to go into that. I just want to get a general cleaning done on mine. Kind of from brown to gray at least. there is battery acid. That'll probably never come up. Battery acid. Yeah, tire marks. Not bad, they were worse. And all this other stuff from these big oak trees. I got a lot of them. Oil stain as you get in there. Those look like they come up. Good deal. Not bad at all. Moving our little picnic table here. Might as well get it clean as well. Also that's a tip used for washing houses and stuff that's not concrete. Yeah, clean that mess up over there. That'll wear you out too. A lot of force on that pressure washer. Been about 3 years since this has been pressure washed, so not a whole lot of time, but still enough time for this much crap to build up. Amazing. There you go. That's fun. Holy crap. Sitting area. Get the driveway next. Doing a little bit of cleaning up, get the walls there, and then starting the rest of the driveway. Got my gate closed again. Back to the concrete. Looking good. From my side door. Looking good. Probably won't get a chance to see the stone sidewalk get done, but I'll show you that later. I gotta go to work at my new job, so yeah, I won't be around for this, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, real quick shot of the steps. Cool. So that's what color they look like. I can remember. Nice. We'll see it when it's complete. Alright, it's the next day, and yeah, this is a world of difference. This looks great. Yeah, quick shot here. Yeah, this turned out excellent. Nice. Haven't seen it this clean since it was constructed back in 2007. Yeah, probably should have cut that ivy back, but not bad. Not bad at all. All right. I'm glad this is done. Thanks for watching.